Hey dolls, so we just did our coffin shaped nails. I did a beginner tutorial, step-by-step talk through in case you are interested in that or need help with laying your own acrylic and permanent nails. This tutorial is going to be a nail design, so I'm super excited to do this. I feel like this is my first real going in nail design since I've been back to doing our own nails. Very happy about that. We're gonna be doing a few different things. For this, I will be using the Macart nail foil art set. Very excited about this. My first time using that. We're also going to be using some of these so that we can do some nice inlays, a little bit of bling, and we're going to be using a chrome powder mermaid from Pretty Diva. And of course I'm Pretty Boss, so I have to use this Pretty Diva. These are going to be some new techniques that I try, so if you're watching this is my first time, so if you're like, oh my goodness, those came out great, you can have a great first time as well. Let's go ahead and get to the video, and make sure that you remember that I always put the links to everything that I use in the tutorials in the description below. We're also going to be using a Sun UV LED lamp. This is my absolute favorite. I'll be doing a review soon, but I love it. Beetle's top coat and gel base coat. I absolutely love Beetle's. I vouch for it. It doesn't peel, any of that. If you're looking for some quality gel, I highly recommend this brand. And again, I get it from Amazon. The links are below. And we'll also be using gel Beetles. We'll be using the black to do our chrome, or you'll be needing white gel polish. And this is from a 6-pack, so I love it because you can get a lot for your money. You know the gel can be expensive, and this is a great quality. The links to all of my different combinations of Beetle gels and colors are below as well. First things first, we're gonna go ahead and apply our Beetles foundation base coat and cure. This is always like the first step for everything. So I'm gonna go ahead, even though I'm doing different designs on different nails, I'm still gonna go ahead and do this step for all of them. Gonna go ahead and cure for 90 seconds. I want to start with the chrome powder, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply the black. You can either use black or white as the base, but I'm actually gonna use black as the base. And again, this is Beetles. The links to all of the colors that I have are below. They have more colors, but I feel like the 4 sets of 6 that I got would give you a really good variety. Gonna cure for another 90 seconds or until dry. And now we're gonna use our Pretty Diva chrome powder, and just in case you do get this, it does come with instructions. So let's say you get this and you're like, oh my goodness, I forgot which video. If you get this set that I have in the description below, it does come with instructions for you, so no need to worry. Look how pretty that is. I think that is gorgeous. So we're gonna go ahead and apply the top coat and cure again. It says to go ahead, not go ahead, but go ahead and rub it in until you get your desired effect. I think that's looking pretty good so far. I felt like maybe I should have used white. I think that looks pretty good though. Let's see. I think that's pretty nice. That's gonna be different. It reminds me of like holographic, but yeah, that's mermaid. So that's how it looks with the black. So I changed my mind. We're actually gonna use 580, and this is from another Beetle 6-pack that I have. Again, links are below, and I did have to go ahead and drill that off. So I'm gonna go ahead, apply base coat again, cure, and we'll be back to do these chrome powders part 2. So now we're back for take 2, and we're actually gonna apply the white for the base. Because the look that I'm going for in this nail design, I want it to be a certain look so that it can go with my theme. So I just didn't even want to take chances with that. But at least now you get to see the difference on how that mermaid powder looks on black versus white. And you can also apply chrome powders on top of other colors, but white or black is recommended. And I know I made kind of an entire mess on my edges, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use this brush, dipping it in 100% acetone, and I'm just gonna clean up the edges before I cure. And again, we're gonna cure for about 90 seconds or until it dries. So try 2. Let's take out our mermaid powder, and I do have a paper towel underneath, so let's go ahead and rub this time again and see. So yes, that's much more of the effect that I was looking for. I wanted a chrome powder, but I wanted it to be subtle for this look. I wanted it to look like snow with a little bit of mermaid undertones, or you know, pearlish undertones. So I think that looks really good. I'm gonna dust off the excess. I'm actually gonna use this little Dippin' Dot brush. I got this from Sally's. I put this in the latest haul that I did. Now we're moving to the next goodie. This is the Macart nail foil set. Again, the links are below, and I'm really drawn to this one. I either want to use this one or this one right here. I'm so undecided. I think I might use this one. So all you have to do is cut a piece of it. Of course, you're gonna cut how much you need for the nail. I'm just gonna cut a little strip. We're gonna cut a piece of this that will be good enough to cover this nail. I'll cut it here. It's probably more, definitely more than I need, but I did that because I want a certain part of the design. This Marquette nail foil also comes with instructions, so again, in case you forget, no worries, they got you covered. I will put the links below. It comes with 2 different nail glues as well, so you get 2 sets of nail art foil glue. I don't want to put a base color, so I'm actually just going to go ahead and use the nail glue. Again, if I wanted to put a color underneath, I could, but I don't want to, so I'm just using the nail glue. And before I cure it, I'm actually gonna go ahead and apply my Top It Off coat to the other nails that are done so that I can kill 2 birds, or 4 birds to be exact, with 1 stone. And now we're to take our piece and press and apply carefully and make sure that we lay it over the entire thing. So you want to make sure that you press it so that you can get it on the entire nail. Oops, so I feel totally slow. I think I did that backwards. So let's try it again using the other side. Oops. So yeah, this makes sense, right? I guess. I didn't know. But now you know not to do it like me. That's what y'all have me for, so that you can do it like a breeze. You can do it like a pro your first time, since we experimented over here with me. So again, we're gonna press and hold evenly. I hope I did that good though, like I really do. And yeah, I can feel it sticking better this time since it's the actual side that's supposed to be pressed down and remove. That looks pretty cute. So let's do it again. I'm gonna do this edge of my nail that doesn't really have anything because I missed how I put it on there. This is kind of cool though. This is simple to use. Like, where were these when I was doing my own nails in the past? Did I just not tap into this? Because this is really cool. And again, you could have put any type of color underneath and cured, but I just wanted to keep it clear. So check it out. Super cute, right? I'm actually gonna keep this piece too now that I know how it works. This is like a lot of nail foil now that I see how the foil works. I'm gonna seal with top coat and I'm gonna cure it for about 60 seconds. Deciding if I wanted to use bling or if I want to use these. So I'm going to use this. Again, all links are below. And this kit I also got on Amazon for $3. So this comes with the rhinestone glue gel, but I'm actually opening up so that I can get another tool out of here. I'm going to use this so that I can pick these flakes up and apply them. I usually do inlays with acrylic, but I want to try it with just using the foundation. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply the gel foundation again, like a fresh coat of it, and I'm gonna press these on there and cure, and then put a top coat and cure. Love it. I'm gonna cure for 60 seconds and now we're gonna do our top coat. And now I'm just lightly sanding because there are some little pieces that's sticking out. So I'm just lightly sanding with the nail file because I'm gonna feel some type of way about that, even though it wouldn't mess up the aesthetic. And like I said, I usually used to do inlays with acrylic, but I wanted to just try it with the gel. So all I did was just lightly sand down any pieces that were sticking out. I'm gonna put one more application of top coat and that's literally going to be perfecto. Like this, but I wanna do something to my pinky nail. So I actually have these. I got these long time ago. It's probably on one of my hauls from Dollar Tree. So we're gonna open this up and we're gonna apply this, okay? We're gonna apply itty bitty here. I think this is gonna be cute. I'm gonna actually apply it to this nail. So I'm gonna apply another top coat. So now I'm gonna cure for 60 seconds and apply another layer of top coat and cure. Before I apply top coat, I'm actually gonna put a little bit of top coat kind of like diagonal, and I'm gonna apply a little bit more of this and finish it out. Did cure, so I'm gonna do one more top coat And then we'll be able to do the other hand so that we can see the final result. So that's it for the nail art tutorial. I hope that you enjoyed this one. It's been a long time, but we back. Oh, and we are gonna definitely turn up. And don't forget, I have Nailina. So I'm gonna try to do at least one nail tutorial or technique or different test at least once a week. Make sure that you're subscribed for future videos. I see y'all later. Love y'all and be blessed. Peace.